Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install OpenIV. Firstly, download the latest version of OpenIV for Windows from the official website. Locate the downloaded file, then double-click on it to start the installation process. Once the installation starts, you will see an Open Formats welcome screen. Just click Continue button and read the terms and conditions carefully, then tick the box to accept them. Choose the folder where you want OpenIV to be installed and check the box to create a desktop shortcut, optional but recommended, then click Continue. A pop-up will appear asking for permissions. Just click Yes. The setup will now download and install all required components. Wait until the installation is complete, and once it is finished, you will see a confirmation message. Just click Close, then launch OpenIV on your desktop shortcut to start the game. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.